Hi, I'm Deva here. My student ID EQA 188 Okay, well, about this assignment, I'm going to talk about the best theory, which is called HO theory. They have two theory. It goes Jakarta theory, Jakarta theory, and HO theory. So I more prefer on HO theory because HO theory is like it's moving towards the current situation or current pandemic wavelength. Why I'm supporting on HO because of the theory about the input that they explain in HO is very very common for current generation. Okay, um, why initial model I'm talking about it's a great thing because they um, identically talk about more to identical production technologies. It's like they more towards technology. Um, how to say so, but they have a negative impact in that. If this HO model can suitable can emphasize or can used for the country which have developing countries and they have big kind of industries countries, only they can implement this kind of HO model because to have the production of technology you have need a big amount of capacity to develop. This is like R&D, implement you're planning a new technology, you're creating new technology, or some business with the normal business build up another level of business. You need this kind of technologies. Okay, so the interesting part of this HO, okay, they have no the only one common thing when we talk what is the production of technology. It's like a simple thing that I can understand, I can explain to you, like something you're going to buy, don't have to go to grocery shop, just buy from online. So which is you can save your cost of fuel, save the cost of your toll or anything. You can save your energy, and you don't even get tired. You just stay home. You just order it to bring to your house. The same concept of this theory, it is called HO theory. This HO theory is more to globalize. It's big. Okay, why? They have a few assumptions. Okay, one is they have no artificial barriers for trades, which is like tariff, like like nations like import costs we are buying in local, we are paying a more price than the car itself, which means we are paying more. We are paying the tax itself to purchase a car. Okay, so why it happened? Why? Because like example, for sure our government is more to try to support our local products, but we are more to like export import products. That's why they have put higher tariff to tariff for taxes or tariff for the goods that's coming to our country. So if we follow this theory, HO theory, we don't have tariff, we don't have any fee for export import, and we actually free trades. These free trades, it's easy. You don't need to have any cost. In other words, we can say like just that you're buying something in online, you don't have to have like shipment fee or what. You have, but you don't have a big amount of shipment fee or what. For sure, you don't have taxes because it's free. It's called free tariff. No tariff, no codes. Okay. Other thing, when you say it's like the business will run into the technologies in more to networks, so they don't need transportations, which is marketing costs, like whatever, like how to say, those days like we have to market something, we have to go one place to another place to market or to preserve or to to enhance something goods to people, we have to sell, we have to push it, we have to advertise, we have to market size, we need a transport, or we have to sell goods, we need a transport. But we have this control model, we can cut off the transportation costs. We can that's the thing. We can cut off the cost, which we can assume as zero. Because normally this transportation cost is may increase with the goods you're purchasing. Alright, another thing of where I can speak about a lot of things we can speak about is, a perfect competition and a full employment in this theory, which is perfect competition is in both products, any products. We have two products, two countries, and the perfect competition will always be there. And assumption, we can assume that we have monopolistic and oligopoly. Oligopoly, of course, we have studied before in our subject, economics. In a perfect competition, always have, we can assume these two markets, which is monopoly and oligopoly. And in what's the common thing we can say in perfect competition? It's a perfect competitive market. All buyers and sellers are price takers. Price takers is not only one side. They have two parties. They are price takers. Which is good. Actually, it's good. Okay. Another point, it's one factor of our mobile in each countries, but in mobile across national borders. Okay, which is what I'm trying to say is we don't need to go domestic. We can stay in our country. We build our own technology. But the problem is, if we don't have enough manpower for to build the technology, it's a lack of it's a lack. Because currently, what we can say more specific, we can explain now. Any goods, any country can, all the countries are producing goods. Like example, a shoe, all the countries are producing shoe. But the difference are which country are providing the best shoes ever. So what I can understand from here, we don't have specific. Okay, like say China, we only specific on phone. Singapore, we only specific on like fridge. There's no specification. You can create whatever you want, build whatever you want, just maintain your own quality. Okay, so it's good. You don't have discrimination or what. You don't have like, oh, only you can this country is going good on this certain thing. No, all the countries have equal rights to bring up their products, the goods. But the issue is they must have a employment, the good capability employment for the current technology goods. And my conclusion for this assignment is, for the actual model is for a long run model. Some countries may be slow with this current. They have to some countries are maybe education will less. They have to take the time to adopt the technology. But in long run, HO model is a good model, because currently we're having pandemic. In future, we don't know what we will face up. So my conclusion is HO model is current a good model that we can apply for our economic growth. That's all. Thank you.